sexy, expensive, and fun. I can't say the word, but that's the baddest they've ever seen in their life. Started out as a work truck I bought 10 years ago. Hauled around tools, air conditioning units, ended up being a family car, hauling around dogs to the beach. And then my son said, hey Daddy, let's do a show truck. So now I just go to all over the United States and doing car shows. The lady came up to me one day, she said, why do you call your truck the Sexcursion? I said, well look, is it an excursion? She said, yeah. I said, is it sexy? She said, yeah. I said, well, Sexcursion, there it is. Her husband said, oh my God, I hope you got a mattress in the back.
To put it simply, the Sexcursion is a Ford excursion that's sexy. But that's not all. Franklin Williams has put together one of the most decorated SUVs in America. It's won over 100 awards for Best in Show and beaten 2,500 entries to claim top spots. With endless features inside and out, Franklin put in the time to make this SUV super.
Working on it for 5 years now. I started out as just simple lift kit, 20-inch tires, and going to a 19-inch lift kit with 42-inch tires now. I've redone all the factory seats to black alligator and ostrich, removed the second row bench and put captain's chairs there and covered the same way, removed the third row, dyed the whole interior black, all the trim. The Sexcursion is the only SUV that I know of that has Lamborghini doors anywhere in the world. These doors in this truck are the factory doors from 2003. The only thing we changed was the hinge lift assembly. A good 3 days of bolting, maneuvering, shimming, getting them to where they shut correctly. Here we got custom Armani wheels, 30 by 16s, heavy duty, sling some mud. The rims are powder gold, and if you look at the lug nuts, they are designed to keep people from actually stealing them because they are sharp like razor blades. If you go grab one, you'll find out. If you want to run big wheels and tires, you got to put some lift under it. People cannot believe that you can raise it up with a flip of a button. The airbags open and close, lets air in and out so you can have a smoother ride. Custom badging, billets, powder coated. Tops of the mirrors are gold. The grille insert is a custom grille made. It's got some gold in it. Custom TSO 5-inch tip. Custom swords made with the custom Memphis gold. Custom built headlights. Got the Sexcursion engraved into the lens. That interior is a super hit. As soon as you open the doors and they see the Lamborghini doors fly open, they see the ostrich and alligator seats, they just start touching it. We have a 60-inch curved Samsung in the back. We open the doors up, you can hook a PlayStation to it, you can hook a DVD player to it, you can even Bluetooth your phone to it. Just walk up to it and see a 60-inch flat screen TV sitting in the back there. Wondering, can they watch football on it? I said, sure we can. TVs in each door has TVs on the sun visors. It's got a banging stereo system in it, so you just turn it wide open and hit the road and keep rolling. Excursion is fun to drive. It's not all over the road. It's pretty straight and narrow. Don't wander. Takes curves real well to be as high as it is, the biggest tires it's got. Got up to 125 miles an hour a couple times. And she will definitely burn those 42s up. It would smoke the rubber off of them. I think the coolest thing about this truck is being the height. Look at all the little cars below you and run them over if they get in the way. So everywhere I go, people just stop me, want to take pictures, want to see it go up and down. I haven't had one hater yet that come up and said, I do not like your truck. It's either go big or go home. She's good to go. She's, I say a diamond in the rough.